Have you been looking for ways to sell more on Etsy? For me, product photos have been that one key thing that's helped my Etsy shop grow to well over 1,000 sales now in less than a year. My name is Amanda Love Santos, and today I'm going to share some simple ways that I take photos of my product for Etsy. And I'm not a professional photographer, I'm just a maker, so I know you'll be able to recreate them. So here's some simple ideas that I think anyone can recreate, and I'll be taking them all outside so you can choose whatever location you'd like. So the first idea is a classic flat lay. So to begin, you want to find a background, something that's either in your color palette, contrasting to make your product pop, or just a background that captures your brand aesthetic. I chose this beautiful sandstone. Then you're going to want to lay your piece down, either very neatly placed or casually tossed. Then add your props. I use the yarn that I made the piece with, but you can also use plants, accessories, or whatever adds to the look. And here's how some of the photos came out. Next idea is to hang your product. So you can either hang it directly on something like a tree or anything that gives it that elevation. Or you can place it on a hanger and hang it off anything you'd like. You can even use your hand to hold it up. I tried a couple different backgrounds, in front of a view for more depth and a simple wall for a minimal look. Last idea is the lifestyle photo. And this is where you're going to actually wear the piece if it's clothing. If not, you're going to interact with it and show it being used in real life. And just play around with it, try new things to get a variety of shots. It is nice to have a friend or helping hand that will make you feel comfortable, but if you don't have a friend, you could totally use a tripod and a self-timer to get some good shots as well. If you need some ideas on poses or different shots, Pinterest is a great resource to get inspired, but most of all, just have fun with it. I hope you enjoyed these Etsy product photography tips and ideas, and I'd love to check out your shops, so leave your Etsy shop names in the comments and let's all go support in whatever way that we can. Whether that's buying something or even just favoriting a listing or sharing it with a friend, all of that helps, so leave your shop names in the comments. And if you're a maker, I have just launched a line of sustainable yarn that's hand spun, hand dyed by artisans in Peru. My brand is Stay Creating. We're all about supporting women makers. You can find our shop at staycreating.co. And if you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more tips for makers or crochet tutorials and fashion. I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Stay creating. God bless you, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.